Hi, welcome back to my vlog again. So today I wanna give a little story about my daily life. Now is now is now in morning class is English. My mentor is not present because we are give assessment. We are give tasks about make a video vlog. Continuing the challenge 100 vlog. So now we are make a video vlog. We are chasing the target to reach 100 vlogs. The class atmosphere is currently very quiet, but not so quiet because there are several people who are making videos. Look. Now there's my friends. They make a video vlog collaboration, and that's my friends after his her after go to canteen. And look, that's Afika. She to go canteen. The class is very. The class is very long. Look the cat. The cat sleep. So cute. The cat's very enjoy for sleep. Okay, maybe this my vlog today. My story about what atmosphere for class in English class in the morning on Wednesday. Okay, thank you for watching and see you.